Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric scooters under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Koma Peak 1200-watt electric scooter with seat. Now, this product might seem like it's pushing the boundaries of what we call a scooter, but it's worth mentioning for its unique features. With a 500-watt motor capable of reaching 20 miles per hour and 20-inch anti-skid fat tires, this model is perfect for tackling all terrains: beach, snow, sand, or gravel. What sets this apart is its removable 48-volt battery, allowing up to 25 miles on a single charge. The dual braking system, front and rear lights, and shock-absorbing front fork make this a safe and reliable option for commuting or errands. The design features a sturdy aluminum build and comes equipped with 2 seats, one adjustable and one padded for added comfort. This scooter even includes a front basket for carrying essentials, making it highly versatile for adults. However, its heavier weight and bulkier frame might not appeal to those looking for a lightweight, portable scooter. Ideal for longer commutes or those who need a rugged, all-terrain vehicle. This scooter offers excellent performance but leans more toward the bike category. Pros include its powerful motor, long-range battery, and robust design. On the downside, it's heavier and less portable compared to others on this list. If you're looking for a multi-purpose option for commuting or off-road adventures, the Koma Peak may be worth considering. Next up, at number 4, is the Razer E100 electric scooter for kids. This is a classic option designed specifically for younger riders aged 8 and up. Powered by a 100-watt, high-torque, single-speed motor, it can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour, making it a safe yet thrilling choice for kids. The rechargeable 24-volt battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use, which is decent for short rides around the neighborhood. The 8-inch pneumatic front tire ensures a smooth ride, while the hand-operated front brake offers reliable stopping power. The Razer E100 is built with a durable steel frame and features a kid-sized deck and handlebars, making it perfect for smaller riders. However, the downsides include a long 12-hour charging time and a weight limit of 120 pounds, which may not accommodate older teens. Assembly is required, but the process is straightforward. For its price, this scooter is an excellent introduction to electric-powered mobility for kids who are just starting out. Pros include its reliable build quality, smooth ride, and kid-friendly design. Cons are the limited ride time and extended charging period. If you're looking for a fun and safe scooter for younger riders, the Razer E100 is a solid option. At number 3, we have the Mongoose Trace Air non-electric scooter. While this scooter doesn't have an electric motor, it deserves a spot on this list for its exceptional design and versatility, especially as a budget-friendly option. Priced at $159.99, this scooter features 12-inch air-filled tires that perform well on both paved and unpaved surfaces, offering a smoother ride compared to solid wheels. Its durable steel frame supports riders up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for kids and even some adults. The adjustable height stem and BMX-style handlebar ensure a comfortable fit for various users, while the wide foot deck provides added stability. The caliper handbrake offers precise speed control, making it safe for riders of all skill levels. However, it's worth noting that this scooter is non-foldable, which limits its portability. While it lacks the thrills of an electric motor, it excels as a reliable and durable option for recreational and neighborhood rides. Pros include its affordability, rugged build, and smooth ride quality. Cons are the lack of an electric motor and non-folding design. If you're seeking a sturdy, budget-friendly scooter for outdoor adventures, the Mongoose Trace Air is a fantastic pick. Taking the number 2 spot is the Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter. This is an upgraded version of Razer's classic electric scooters, featuring innovative PowerCore technology with a 90-watt hub motor. It delivers smooth acceleration with the push of a throttle and offers up to 60 minutes of continuous ride time. The electroluminescent wire on the deck and 6 LEDs under it add a fun, glowing effect to the ride, making it visually appealing for kids aged 8 and up. The all-steel frame ensures durability, while the flat-free, airless rear tire eliminates the worry of punctures. The scooter supports riders up to 120 pounds and weighs only 9.82 kilograms, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver. However, it lacks adjustable handlebars and has an extended charging time of 12 hours. For its performance and fun lighting features, it's a great option for kids looking for a reliable and stylish ride. Pros include its maintenance-free motor, long ride time, and cool lighting effects. Cons are the non-adjustable handlebars and long charging time. If you want a scooter that combines style and functionality, the Razer PowerCore E90 is a great choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lewell electric scooter for kids ages 6 to 12. This scooter stands out as the premium option at $169.99, offering a 150-watt motor with adjustable speeds of 4 miles per hour, 7 miles per hour, and 11 miles per hour. The LED display shows the battery level, speed, and mode, giving young riders full control of their ride. With up to 60 minutes of ride time and solid tires that eliminate the risk of flats, this scooter is both practical and fun. The colorful LED lights on the deck and handlebar strips add a vibrant touch, improving visibility and safety. Its lightweight aluminum frame is foldable, making it easy to carry and store. The electronic brake and rear-wheel brake provide reliable stopping power, while the non-slip deck and handle ensure a secure ride. However, the 120-pound weight limit might not be suitable for older teens, and the 3-month warranty is shorter than competitors. Pros include its adjustable speed settings, stylish design, and portability. Cons are the lower weight limit and shorter warranty. If you're looking for a feature-packed and visually appealing scooter for kids, the Lewell electric scooter is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.